Hi, my name is Daniela Buendia, and this is how I plan to heal the world. As an aspiring medical professional, I have been extremely disappointed in our current healthcare system. As many things in our world, there is an extreme disbalance in ethical practices in medicine. Beginning with the inability of many people to receive treatment, those who are lucky and rich enough to do so are also at a disadvantage. Although we are blessed in this country for our medical advancements, the public is now being scorched by the greedy Big Pharma. But what is Big Pharma, and what do they do? Every person who has stepped into a doctor's office has been served and indoctrinated by the leading pharmaceutical companies of the US. These companies not only own our healthcare system, but also dictate it. How? These leading companies such as Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Bayer, and many more are using financial incentives to get doctors and institutions to prescribe their drugs more frequently and lengthen treatment. And it is working. It has been working for the last century. Big Pharma's influence has been proven to alter prescribing patterns and has also been proved to be collaborating with leading fast food merchants that keep us sick. These companies have put humans in a vicious cycle of fueling our bodies with poison, which inevitably lead to disease. That is where Big Pharma steps up and promises they will save your life if you comply with the drugs. Unfortunately, they are lying. It is widely known that most illnesses in the body stem from what we consume both mentally and physically. Why are doctors looking over this fact? Because they are getting paid to do so. When you are a patient for life, you are also a consumer for life. And although many of our life-saving drugs are produced and shipped by these companies, our laws and regulations allow these manufacturers to set their own prices with little to no government oversight. This allows an influx on prices, leading to the vast overcharging and overprescribing of medications. Doctors are prescribing medicines by their sponsoring pharmaceutical companies, and the people cannot afford them. There is no regulation on pricing life-supportive medicines. Why? Perhaps because since 2008, the industry spent $2.7 billion on lobbying in Washington, contributing to 44% to congressional Republicans and 56% to congressional Democrats. This is the Big Pharma Mafia, and we are all funding them. We continue to do so because they provide us with solutions to chronic illnesses. But what if I told you there are other solutions? What if I told you there are natural solutions? What if I told you about 85% of chronic illness is believed to be non-communicable? In other words, these days infections account for a minority of illnesses and deaths. Instead, the main causes of chronic ill health and death have shifted from infectious diseases to poor diet and lifestyle, stress, loneliness, obesity, sleep deprivation, hormonal imbalances, toxic exposures, and many, many more things. In fact, prescription drugs are now widely considered to be the third leading cause of death. I propose it is time for a change. As an aspiring physician, I hope to be the change. I propose a platform, combined with an app. Here, licensed professionals who are not influenced by Big Pharma can share and prescribe alternative medicines. Here, we can explore how herbs and hormonal changes can cure or help our chronic illnesses. This platform will gather information and offer treatments that do not just target the illness present, but have a fully rounded plan including diet and mental well-being. Here, we will offer not just alternative medicine, but truthfully advise whether a prescription drug is needed, and will not offer a drug that will fuel the money-hungry plan of Big Pharma. On this platform, we will explore new medicine, such as the successful use of CBD oil to diminish symptoms in patients with schizophrenia, or the clinical trials which prove there are over 200 plants that have bioactive constituents that are known to possess anti-diabetic properties and inhibit glucose absorption from the intestines, increasing insulin secretion from the pancreas. Or the use of ginger root, turmeric, maca powder, and cayenne pepper as a natural anti-inflammatory, pain reliever, and hormone balancer in women, which have been proven to help with menstrual pain. On this platform called wrld, we will explore all areas of medicine, from mental and energetic healing to herbal and physical healing, Here, anybody could log on and speak to a doctor who will not feed you pills. Instead, we will be honest and search across all medical records for a solution to your illness. We will be what Big Pharma fears the most. We will bring back the truth to the people.